So I bought this new Bluetooth speaker slash lamp, and I'm going to unbag it, then unbox it, and then test it out and see how it is. It's not too much information about it online, not too many. There's a couple of reviews on YouTube, but I wanted to make my own. So I think it came directly from China, if I'm not mistaken, just in this cheap bag. Once it's taken out of this cheap bag, this is the box. So you're going to see, you zoom in, Levitating UFO speaker. There's a black one. I didn't get the black one. Levitating table lamp with UFO speaker. Then down here in small print, I don't know if you can zoom in, it says 9 pieces of white LED light under the platform, 15 pieces of color changing LED light on the platform. What else we got? See, it's in outer space here with the satellite. And this is the one that I got, the silver version, Levitating table lamp with UFO speaker, same thing. And here in the back, just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. You can see, so we'll start from up here. It says wireless, stream your music wirelessly from any wireless enabled device. Wireless power. Induction technology provides continuous wireless power to the floating speaker. So it charges wirelessly. This UFO actually levitates over the platform and it can charge that way. 3D sound, 360-degree sound projection. Fills any room with rich and clear sound. We'll see about that. And over here, wireless power. Continuous wireless power is supplied to the floating speaker through induction. So you can see the outline of the little UFO and then the platform, and it's showing you that it charges wirelessly. Down here it says includes floating speaker, magnetic table lamp, AC adapter, micro USB cable. By the way, wouldn't it be funny if I open this box and it's just like empty, just styrofoam, and I do all this for nothing and I feel like an idiot? And over here it says magnetic levitation, floats in midair using an advanced magnetic levitation system, no hidden strings or wires. 3D sound delivers better sound quality by minimizing sound loss and distortion with the unification of 360-degree sound. Well, yeah, I'm reading it upside down, so it looks a little bit weird. Projection, sound projection from the floating speaker. Okay, then down here it says China patent, USA patent, HCNT technology made in China. Okay, then underneath, I don't know if it says anything. No. All right, so we're gonna open it up. These things go for around 80 something to $120 online. You'll see prices vary. I got this from AliExpress, but they have it on Amazon. It's a little bit pricier, I think. Have your instructions. Pluck it and file it to the side, as they say. And then, let's see. I'll lay it down flat. Everything is out. Here's some tape. I don't have any scissors around, so I'm just going to pop it. There you go. So you have the little levitating UFO speaker. Pretty good weight. This is a little felt right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on the side. This is a little power LED, I believe. Here's a little power button. So this is a little light showing that it's charging or that it's powered on or whatnot. That's the power on-off button, I believe. That, I don't know what that is. And here you go is the top of it. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lights. And then the speaker here. Here is the lamp. slash platform. Oh, they want the box. You want the box? Is this going to turn into a cat video? Go inside. Check it out. He loves boxes. Okay, he's going to chill out with us for the rest of the video. Here's the platform. Pretty good weight. Underneath here is like, I don't know, it's like a little cheap foam material. Probably covering up some wires and stuff. Here's a power button. This is where the power AC cord plugs in. We've got a bunch of LED lights here. A touch capacitive power button. Underneath you got more LED lights around the base and looks like speakers. So there's that. I don't want it to tip over. You got the power cord and the USB plug. Next, I'll be reading the instructions to see what exactly needs to be done. So I'll be right back. So the instructions, I'm reading the page, so it says Levitation wireless speaker operating instructions. Congratulations for purchasing the Levitation anti-gravity speaker. This latest advancement in magnetic levitation incorporates a sophisticated patented technology which balances nature's two main forces, gravity which pushes down and magnetism which pushing up. How to levitate your wireless speaker. Balance can be achieved once the speaker is gently placed at a singular location in midair. Finding the exact levitation point requires practice and patience. The first time you are successfully levitating your speaker, you will feel a sense of exhilaration over your accomplishment. Each time after your initial success, you'll find that the feat becomes easier until you will become a master of levitation. Are you kidding me? Please be assured that every levitation device has been tested to work properly before leaving the factory. So, please be patient and follow the detailed guideline provided below. Get comfortable. Sit comfortably on a stable, non-rocking chair at your dining table or any other table of similar height. Place the magnetic base on the table right in front of you, and then plug it in. To find the balance point. The magnetic balance point is located at the center of the base. The exact position is determined as follows. Hold the speaker gently in both hands with thumbs and index fingers at height of about a foot above the base surface, and then lower the magnet to the magnetic balance point, which you will find to be in approximately a height of 10 millimeters to 50 millimeters above the base. You will know when you have approximately reached this point because the speaker will feel almost balanced in midair, not falling down and not being pushed up. Once you feel that you have reached the balance point, you can begin to gently release your hold of the lower part of the speaker. If it floats, congratulations. If it falls, simply start over. So they're showing that you hold it like this, and you just come from above until it's balanced. I wonder if it has to be plugged in for it to balance. Let's see. I think it's a magnet. Let's see. So if you do it wrong, just to show you, like it is magnetic. This thing is magnetic and can stick to like. So it can charge from this thing. So it probably has a charge from the factory. But you see there, you can stick this Bluetooth speaker magnetic to like a refrigerator, any metal thing, it'll stick. So that's showing that'll stick. Now you just have to figure out how to balance it right in the middle. See, it's probably because the bed is shifty. This might take a while. I don't have, what do they say? I don't have a sense of exhilaration over my accomplishment yet. Yeah, it probably needs to be a lot sturdier. But anyway, so we'll just keep it there, let it charge. Next thing, let's see. Okay, the Levitation wireless speaker is the product of advances in electromagnetic engineering. Because of this, the techniques involved in operation are new to most people. Practice may be needed when learning how to properly operate this device. Do not become discouraged if you cannot achieve levitation after a few tries. With practice, you will become a master. I want to be a master levitator. Important. The electromagnetic field sensor inside your levitation base is designed to automatically turn off power to the unit under certain conditions, such as overheating, in order to prevent damage to the circuitry and ensure long product life. So, if after a few tries you have not successfully levitated the speaker, please wait 30 minutes or more before your next attempt. Wow, okay. Caution, make sure a unit is installed on a flat surface. Keep away from any steel objects or other electronic items. People with pacemakers should not come into contact with the device. This is not a toy and it is not suitable for the children under 12 years old. Do not open the base and do not disassemble the components. So, if you want to just... people can pause the video if they want to read it for themselves. Just get it framed and slowly pan down. And then the second page is operation instructions for use wireless speaker, so that you can do the same thing and pan this one top to bottom, and then I'll read it. If people want to read it for themselves, they can pause the video. Wireless speaker, top of speaker, bottom of speaker. How to turning on. Press the power switch, which is 2. Where's that at? Okay, yeah, that's the little, that button right there. Press the power switch of 2 seconds in order to turn on the wireless player with warning tones. The lights in speaker will flicker on. Press the power switch of 2 seconds to turn off the whole speaker with warning tones. All lights will turn off. Let's see. It's not turning on. It's already flashing. I don't know what that means. Okay, let's skip that part. Wireless pairing mobile phone. Please connect the Bluetooth with your phone and search for and pair the UFO 01. It will have a warning tone once you connect it successful. Press one time of the power switch to control the music on-off when you have connected successful. Wireless power charge. There is wireless function inside the speaker. Touch the switch 5. And that's going to be this one right here on top of the platform base. The wireless function will on-off. Red warning light is on when it is wireless charging and flying in the midair. More than 24 hours charging time. Wireless power charge. Connect a standard USB cable inside the packing with a 5-volt mobile charger. Red warning light when it is charging. 4 hours charging time. Reusable connection. Restart the speaker. The Bluetooth will connect the phone automatically, which has paired last time. The base. Place the base on a flat surface and make sure it is plugged in. This is the first step and the most important step to levitate. Press the touch switch 7. Where's that at? Oh, that one. To control the lights on off at the base. So let's actually start by plugging this thing in. I'm going to open that up, plug that in. Let's just start it over here. Plug it in. Okay. There you go. Slide this little guy over so we can have it by the end. Look at that lamp. So this, let's see. Got the lights on top changing color. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 lights on top. It looks like got white lights underneath. And then this is just fading from one color to the next. Now if I touch this white button, let's see what happens. Turns off. If I touch it again, now the lights on the top are on, but the lights underneath are off. Touch it again, all the lights are off. Okay, that's pretty much how it works. Now this thing does have a micro USB connection, so that's probably how they want you to charge it at first. Like this. And it does say more than 24 hours. I wonder if it needs to be charged in order to hover. So you need to do this. And I do have plug that in, there's a red light glowing, and it's charging. So that's it for now. Let's see if I can get it to hover without having to charge it. Okay. So plug this for now. Let's try this again. Now this is on a flat surface. Like I almost had it. Ooh. Oh, that was close. Give it a little bit more space. This has got to be the way to go. How long am I going to keep trying this? Till how much space? Oh man, I had it. And there it is. Trying to spin it, I'm afraid to like tap it too hard and then it loses its hovering, but there you go. That's pretty much how it works. From a levitation master in training. Pretty cool, huh? Now this thing is not, I guess the lights are just on the top of that thing, but see, it's got a nice LED lamp underneath. I like that. Ain't that pretty? I love it. Until next time, we'll test the sound of the speaker once it charges up a little bit and I get it connected to my phone. See ya.